Check out this GMC 2021 Sierra 1500 SLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include preferred equipment Group 4SA, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, wheels, 18x 8.56 spoke machined aluminum, 20x9 polished aluminum wheels, front 40/20/40 split bench seat, front bucket seats, perf leather appointed front outboard seat trim and 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.